Hello everyone, I'm Keetana from Chemical Department. I'm going to give a presentation about paper recycling, paper industry and recycling. First of all, we need to know what is recycling of paper. The recycling of paper is the process of which the waste paper is turned into new paper products. It consists of important benefits. It saves waste paper from occupying homes of people and producing methane as its breakdown. Because paper fiber contains carbon by the three forms which it is produced. Recycling keeps the carbon locked up for longer and out of the atmosphere. Indian paper industry. In India, there are more than century old predominant domestic consumption. At present, there are 800 paper mills, 15 largest paper industry in world, 1.6% of world's production. It provides almost employment to 0.46 million people with flexible norms. It consists of huge raw materials. Per capita consumption is about 8.3 kg. Types of paper waste. It consists of newspaper, phone books, cardboard, magazine, computer paper, envelope, junk mail, constructions paper. There are three categories of paper that can be used as a feedstocks for making recycled paper: Millbrook, per consumer waste, and post consumer waste. Millbrook paper is a paper trimming and other paper scraps from the manufacture of paper and is recycled in the paper mill. Per consumption waste is a material which left the paper mill but was discarded before it was ready for consumer use. Post consumer waste is a material discarded after the consumer use, such as old magazine, old newspaper, old container. This paper is suitable for recycling, is called scrap paper. Paper recycling. Paper process of manufacturing old paper products into new reusable product. It reduces 60% of energy. And what is recycling process? Recycling process of collection and processing. In collection process, the process of waste paper recycling most often involves mixing used or old paper with water and chemicals to break it down. It is chopped up and heated, which break it down into strands of cellulose, a types of organic plant materials. This resulting the mixture is called a pulp or slurry. It's strained then screens, which is removed or plastics, especially the plastic coated paper that may still be in the mixture. The cleaner de-inked. De-inked means ink is removed, bleached and mixed with paper. Then it made into a new recycled paper. Outcomes of the paper recycling: egg cartons, paper towels, tissues, newspaper, phone books, paper bags, notebooks, stamp, business card, calendars. In recycling fact and figures, in mid 19th century there was an increased demand for a book and writing materials. Up to the time, paper manufacturer had used discarded linen rags for paper, but supply could not keep up with the increase in demand. Books were brought at occasion for the purpose of recycling fiber content into new paper, at least in the United Kingdom by the beginning of the 19th century. Benefits of the recycling of paper: saves earth and animals and humanity, protect the ozone layer, reduces the pollution, add job to economy, less energy consumption, saves space in the landfills, reduces sulfur dioxide emission, and it saves waste paper for the occupying the home of people and producing methane as its breakdown, because paper fiber contains carbon originally absorbed by the trees from which is produced. Recycling keeps the carbon locked up to longer and out of the atmosphere around 2/3 of the paper products. Further prospects: one of the underestimated industry, huge potential and increase in demand. Government ranks 35th in the priority list. Growth rate accepted to growth 8 to 10%. Limitation and impact: along with fiber, paper and can contain a varieties of inorganic and organic constituents, including up to 10,000 different chemicals, which can potentially contaminate the newly manufactured paper. As an example, bisphenol, a chemical commonly found in the thermal paper, has been verified as the contaminator in a variety of paper products resulting from the paper recycling. Furthermore, group of chemicals are phthalates, phenols, mineral oils, polychlorinated biphenyls, and toxic metals have been identified in the paper materials. Stamping blocks in the paper, remove the bottleneck, high cost of raw materials, lack of modernization, quality improvements, important duty on pulp, waste paper, wood raw materials and techniques, rising power and shipping logistics. Thank you.